This is the 2020 Civic Hatchback, a sporty take on Canada's best-selling car for over 20 years. The Sport Touring trim pairs a turbocharged engine with an athletic suspension for a truly fun and comfortable ride. The 2020 Civic Hatchback is agile and hugs the road with an aggressive stance to let you really feel the drive. And the dynamic body shape gives this Civic its unique style. Starting at the back, it has sloping lines, dual center exhaust, and black sport accents underneath the rear roofline spoiler. Then, up here, the front swoops low with an all-black grille face and slim profile LED headlamps. Inside the 2020 Civic Hatchback, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with wheel-mounted controls allow you to adjust your settings, like cruise control and audio options while you handle the road. Plus, heated front and rear seats keep everyone toasty in the colder months, and the remote start feature lets you warm up your Civic cabin before you even step out the front door. The multi-function center console with sliding armrest adds functionality to your drive, allowing easy access to even more storage for drinks and small items, and charging ports for all of your devices. The 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system features GPS navigation, hands-free Bluetooth connection, Apple Carplay and Android Auto, and voice recognition so you can listen to all of your favorite playlists and podcasts on the road. The Civic Hatchback Sport Touring comes standard with forward collision warning, collision mitigation braking system, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist system, road departure mitigation, vehicle stability assist with traction control, Honda Lane Watch blind spot display, adaptive cruise control, and Honda Link Assist automatic emergency response system. On the road, the 2020 Civic Hatchback strikes a balance between sporty performance and comfort. The independent front and rear suspension system shows off the Civic's athletic chassis dynamics on Honda's Ace body structure. And with that kind of control, it's fun to feel the power of the 180 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. The Sport Touring Hatchback is available with a full 6-speed manual gearbox, or offers a smooth, continuously variable transmission with sporty paddle shifters mounted on the steering wheel for when you really want to take control. To give you the most versatility when packing your car, the 2020 Civic Hatchback has a whopping 1,300 liters of cargo capacity and a large hatch opening with an easily removed cargo cover, plus 60/40 split folding rear seats that makes access to this space easy and adaptable. With the quality and performance you've come to expect from Honda, it's easy to see why the Civic has been the best-selling car in Canada for over 20 years. Drive one today and experience the 2020 Civic Hatchback Sport Touring for yourself. Head to your local Honda dealer and check out honda.com for more information.